Good day, this is Flash. In today's video, there are 5 things that we're gonna look out for. So I'm gonna write those 5 things here, and then at the end of the video, we're gonna give a verdict if whether these things were a yay or a nay, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna write them down here now. Yo, this is your boy, Flash, and your girl, Posy. Yeah, we here at Giza. If things goes to our plan, we'll do the Nile River cruise with belly dancers. But we're doing a DIY, so we wanna book ourselves. We don't wanna use tour guides or anyone. So wish us luck. We hope we'll pull it off. Because we're struggling to get the place where we can book for the Nile River. Do you know cruise? We are stuck at 95 L 195 El Tahrir Street. It looks like it's an eyewear or optical street, because all these shops here, they are selling spectacles, glasses. Yeah, the DIY. Sometimes it's challenging, but you save money. But then you go through hustle and flow. We went to the wrong place. We googled. They told us this place where we need to buy tickets. But it seems like we have to buy the tickets from where we will board the boat. So we're waiting for our boat, and then it will take us there. There it is. Said. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
The 7 to 9, 9:30.
We just purchased our ticket for the dinner cruise, which is 2,400 Egyptian pounds. It includes buffet dinner, 3 drinks, a cold drink, a hot drink, and water. Yes, this is the ticket. Here's the ticket.
Let's hope the food is not that disappointing. What do they call these ones? These beds. They are right next to the boat. Yeah, so this is the boat. It got some ancient Egyptian traditions. Yeah, so this is our boat. So we'll come back at 6:30. Let's go, baby. It's called the Pharaohs.
It means what we saved. They were gonna give us the ticket that doesn't include drinks. You remember?
Yeah.
For 2, it means we were supposed to pay 1,600 rand.
So receive 800.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, let's say 900, because here is 8,874.
All right. We are on our way to the Nile River dinner cruise, but if we stuck in the traffic, yeah, and we need to be there at 6:30 because the cruise is at 7. Come on. Okay. Thank you. Okay, they set us before, and then where do we go from here? Oh, you can still buy tickets now. It's as if it's full. It's upstairs. Here.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. Is it yummy? Is it tasty? And then how's the mesh?
It's nice.
It's also nice. Okay, I will start with the fish. The fish. Yeah, it's nice. It's delicious. What's this? It looks like some noodles. The beef with some noodles. Also good. Wow, I doubted it.
There's the mesh.
Why did I doubt? Wow, the food is nice. I'm not disappointed. The reason the DIY is like this is because it was a hassle, but at the end of the day, it was worth it. On the cost, yeah, we saved a lot. If you find yourself in Egypt, just do the Nile River dinner cruise. It's worth it. So I will see you on the next video. Boom, boom. This is Alexandria. That's our ride.